Hello everyone, I'm Elias DeBaby, and today we're diving into a very important topic that could transform your health foods with no carbs and no sugar. In our journey towards better health, understanding what we eat is crucial, and today's video is all about that. We're exploring 10 amazing foods that are not only delicious, but also scientifically proven to benefit your health without the burden of carbs and sugars. Embracing a low-carb, no-sugar diet can significantly impact your well-being, reducing risks associated with high sugar and carb intake such as diabetes and obesity. So let's get started and uncover these powerful food choices that can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with high-quality proteins, essential vitamins, and minerals, all while being extremely low in carbohydrates. Scientific studies have shown that eggs can help in weight management, muscle strength, and provide essential nutrients for brain and liver health. They are incredibly versatile, making them an excellent addition to a no-carb, no-sugar diet. Furthermore, eggs contain antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health, so whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to cut down on carbs and sugar. Remember, though moderation is key as they are high in cholesterol. Fish is another excellent source of high-quality protein and essential omega-3 fatty acids with virtually no carbohydrates. Studies have consistently demonstrated the heart health benefits of regular fish consumption, including reduced risks of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin D and selenium, crucial for immune function and thyroid health. Including fish in your diet can also improve mental health, as omega-3 fatty acids are known to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. When it comes to no-carb, no-sugar options, meat is an obvious choice. It's a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Scientific research supports that consuming lean meat can help maintain muscle mass and overall physical health. It's important, however, to choose lean cuts and grass-fed options whenever possible to minimize unhealthy fats. Meat not only sustains your energy levels, but also helps in the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen throughout your body. Chapter 4. Cheers to cheese. Cheese lovers, rejoice. Most natural cheeses have little to no carbohydrates, making them a perfect snack for a low-carb diet. Cheese is rich in calcium, protein, and other essential nutrients. Research has shown that cheese can improve bone health and even help prevent osteoporosis. However, it's important to consume it in moderation due to its high saturated fat and calorie content. Opt for varieties like cheddar, mozzarella, or Swiss to add flavor without the carbs and sugar. Chapter 5. Amazing avocado. Avocado is a unique fruit mostly known for its healthy fats and extremely low sugar content. It's packed with fiber, which helps in digestion and maintaining a healthy gut. Studies have shown that avocados can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, contributing to good heart health. They are also loaded with vitamins C, E, K, and B6, making them a powerhouse of nutrition. Whether in salads, smoothies, or on toast, avocados are a great way to enrich your diet. Chapter 6. The olive oil essence. Olive oil is renowned for its health benefits, particularly extra virgin olive oil, which is high in antioxidants and healthy fats. It contains no carbs and is an essential component of the Mediterranean diet, known for promoting longevity and reducing heart disease risks. Studies suggest that olive oil can help reduce inflammation and may even have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. Incorporating olive oil into your cooking is a simple way to take advantage of its health benefits without adding any carbs or sugar. Chapter 7. Butter, particularly grass-fed, is a good source of fat-soluble vitamins and fatty acids. Despite misconceptions, moderate consumption of butter can be part of a healthy diet. It contains butyrate, a type of fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve gut health. Butter has zero carbs and can enhance the flavor of various dishes. It's important to use it sparingly due to its high saturated fat content, ensuring a balanced diet. Chapter 8. Coconut Oil Wonders. Coconut oil has gained popularity for its versatile health benefits. It's especially known for its medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are metabolized differently than other fats, leading to beneficial effects on metabolism. Studies indicate that coconut oil can help in reducing belly fat, which is linked to many chronic diseases. With virtually no carbohydrates, it's an excellent choice for a no-carb, no-sugar diet. However, due to its high saturated fat content, it should be used judiciously. Chapter 9. Nutty Delights. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, proteins, and fiber, with minimal to no effective carbohydrates. They are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and vitamin E. Research has shown that nuts can improve heart health and help control blood sugar levels. Almonds, walnuts, and pecans are some of the best choices for a low-carb diet. They can be enjoyed as a snack or used in various recipes to add crunch and nutrition. Chapter 10. The Seed of Life. Seeds like chia, flax, and hemp are low in carbs and sugar, but high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. These seeds can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and enhance digestive health. Studies have shown that incorporating seeds into your diet can also help in weight management. They are versatile and can be added to smoothies, yogurts, and salads, making them an easy addition to a low-carb, no-sugar diet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to consider integrating these no-carb, no-sugar foods into your diet. Each of these foods offers unique health benefits and can be a delicious part of your eating plan. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutritional information. Don't forget to check the description for additional resources and links to further explore the benefits of a low-carb, no-sugar diet. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.